Retargeting campaigns are dead. Hi, my name is Regitze Simonsen from Greatest Marketing Agency. Retargeting campaigns are dead. You don't have to use them anymore because you can use the new Advantage Plus audience. It actually works in the same way. I'll show you here in my ad account. I'm here in my ad account now, and if we go and just create an ad, I'll show you where Advantage Plus is. We'll just make a leads campaign. It doesn't matter, it actually works with all kind of campaign types, objectives, the Advantage Plus. So continue. And then make sure you click on manual settings, manual setup here. Manual setup. Otherwise, Facebook is actually gonna choose Advantage Plus anyway then. But I just want to show you where it's at. So we just continue. This is just the campaign objective. Campaign level. Now we go to the ad set level. So I'm not going to go through any of this because it doesn't matter. So it's down here under audiences, and here's Advantage Plus audience. So if we click on learn more, you can read about it. I actually opened a page where it says what it does, how Advantage Plus audience works. Meta's AI uses lots of information to find your audience, evolving constantly as it learns. For instance, it uses past conversions and pixel data and interaction with previous ads, which is the same thing that we use when we're making retargeting ads. We're using past conversions, for instance, people who bought from us before, or people who added to cart before, or pixel data, people who visited the website, or interaction with previous ads, like people who liked an ad or commented. Those are all retargeting ads. So the Advantage Plus does the same thing. So you don't have to actually use Advantage Plus anymore, or you don't have to use retargeting anymore, because Advantage Plus works much better. Facebook's AI is becoming so powerful that you can really rely on it. So you just need two campaigns really, one for testing and another one for sales, and you can have all your sales ad sets in there in that one ad set. So comment below if you have any questions, and give me a like if you like it, subscribe for more. And if you're a coach or consultant and you're looking to get clients, not leads, then we specialize in getting clients for established coaches and consultants. And right now we have an offer where you only pay us when you get a paying client. So if you want to hear more about it, then click the link in the description to book a call with me, and we can talk about it. Also, I have some free downloads in the description. There's a free Facebook ad template. If you want to run your own Facebook ads, then you can download that for free. We also have a free ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. That's more about organic marketing. So go ahead and download that, and also join our Facebook group where you can get more tips from me and other marketers. Link in the description also. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.